Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to change JPG to PSD in Photoshop. So get started. At first open your Photoshop document. Now you can say change JPG into PSD. Now going to the firstly open the JPG file. Now going to the file menu option, then click. Now click from open option. Now open the JPG file. Now select, now click from open option. Then you can say open the JPG file, this JPG file in convert PSD. Now again going to the file menu option, then click. Now select from save as option. Now you can say now firstly file name and file name in from type, and second option the format. Now click from PSD. Now save the location and click on save. That it's. Now I can say change JPG into PSD in Photoshop document is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share.